Guess the idiom. Have bigger fish to fry. Have bigger fish to fry කියන්නේ there's something more important to do. Let's look into an example. So who are we going to invite for the party? I thought of inviting Jack and Jill. Really? But I'm not sure if Jack will come because he's married and they have a little baby. He's got bigger fish to fry. Today let's learn some synonyms for the word important. Do you think learning English is crucial? Absolutely, it's vital for your future studies or the job. I think it can have a significant effect on your career in the future. Exactly. Now think for a minute. If you want to study abroad, knowing English is fundamental. Not only that, but if you want to watch English movies, TV series and dramas, it's essential for you to know English language. For sure. What do you think about learning English language? Stop saying very all the time. Let's look into the lesson. Hey, let's go to a restaurant. No, I'm okay. Oh, you are indolent. No, I'm just exhausted. Come on, I'm just starving. Starving? Look at your body. You have to go on diet? Your base. Alright, are you ready? Yeah, I'm all packed, got my luggages and ready to go. Hey dude, luggages is uncountable. You can't tell luggages. It's wrong. Okay, can you tell me about your hotel? Can you give me some information about it? Actually, information is uncountable, so you can't tell informations. It is information. So it's on the outskirt. I think you're trying to say outskirts. It's always plural. You know what? I'm not gonna go with you if you're going to keep on correcting me. It's just terrible. Okay, so I will take my camera and the slippers so I can take lots of pictures of the sceneries. Well, the last mistake. The scenery is uncountable, so you can't tell sceneries. I'm not gonna come with you. When pigs fly, it basically means never. Hey, why are you sad today? I asked my boss for a raise today. And what did he say? He said that he would give me a raise when pigs fly. What? It's impossible. Pigs never fly. Yeah, he will never give me a raise. Oh, I see. I should study hard for the exam. Got a cram for the test. I did very well. I aced it. That is very nice. That's dope. You look so attractive. You got the drip. It's really hot today. You can say that again. I said it's really hot today. Yeah, you can say that again. It's really hot today. I know, you can say that again. Dude, are you deaf or something? Why do you ask me to repeat? You can say that again means I completely agree. Oh, English is so confusing. Hi Anne. Wow, nice bag. How much is it? Actually, I don't know. What? I don't know? No, wrong. That sentence is totally wrong. It's not I don't know. It's I didn't know. If not, I don't know. Pronunciation lesson. How do you pronounce this? Exactly. It's R. Okay, now let's add F to this word. How do you pronounce this now? No, it's not forward. It's for. It's for. Okay, now let's remove this F and add H. Now what's this pronunciation? No, not hover. It's R. R. Okay, now let's remove this H and add P. Now what's the sound? Yes, it's po. It's po. Now let's remove this P and add S. Now what's the pronunciation? Not sour. It's sour. It's sour. Now let's remove this S and add Y. Now what's the pronunciation? Yaur? No, this is your.